Hey, what's going on, guys? Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com, and today we're going to show you how to use a straight razor using nothing but a balloon. Okay guys, let's get started. So the idea of this exercise is basically you want to make sure that you don't cut yourself. A lot of people are afraid to use straight razors because they're afraid to cut themselves basically. And a lot of times people do cut themselves because they're not holding the straight razor at a right angle. So they don't know how to hold the straight razor, number one, or they don't know how to hold it at a right angle. So this practice with the balloon is going to help you guys out a lot, just learning how to use it and giving you guys that feel of using a straight razor before you even put it on your face. So first of all, let's start with how to hold a straight razor. Me, I like to hold a straight razor like this. So what I do is I take my 3 fingers, I put my pinky at the end on this part of the blade, and I guide the blade with these 3 fingers. So I'll just use my straight razor like that. A lot of people do use a straight razor like this. Some people hold the straight razor right between their 4 fingers. So they'll hold it just like that. And like I said, a lot of people do hold it like this as well. I've even seen cases where people do this, which is kind of weird, kind of awkward. But if that's what makes you comfortable, then I will go ahead and do that. Today we're gonna go ahead and use our signature straight razor. And we're gonna use our signature blade. And like I said, any balloon of your choice. Go to Walmart, Target. In this particular case, we have a black balloon. Doesn't matter what color it is. And you want to go ahead and use some shaving cream. Again, doesn't matter what type of shaving cream it is. It can be shave gel, it can be shave cream, it can be whatever it is. So I'm going to go ahead and grab our shave cream, and I'm just going to take a little bit of our shave cream and apply it to the balloon. So as you can see, I have a small amount, and I'm going to rub it all over the balloon. All right. Now that we got the shaving cream on the balloon, let's put that to the side. Before we even get started, let me show you how to load this particular straight razor. With this straight razor, you just open up like that. And with straight razor blades, you got to be really, really careful. Keep the paper on them, and you want to snap them in half like that. Break them apart. And you want to be very careful, like I said, guys, because the top is very sharp. If it even touches you, you can get cut. And with this particular straight razor, we're going to load it onto those 2 dots right there. Close the blade. If you guys are interested, we got a video on how to load different straight razors on our channel. You can go ahead and check that out. But this is basically what you got. So the object of using a straight razor is you want to always keep it at an angle, okay? You don't want to have a blade like this. A lot of times people put the blade like this and they end up cutting themselves. So when you're first learning how to use a straight razor, it's pretty hard. It's pretty hard. So you want to make sure you put it at a 90-degree angle. And you want to hold it like that and go straight across. So that's where the balloon comes in with the shaving cream on it. And what I like about the balloon, don't blow it up too much so you can stretch it, because when you got it on your face, you want to be able to stretch your skin. Okay, so that's what it's all about with using a straight razor. You have to stretch your skin. So keep the balloon at a nice amount. Don't blow it up all the way. Okay, don't put too much air in it. You want to be able to squeeze it. And the point of using a balloon is, if you hold this straight razor like this, you're gonna pop it, because that straight razor blade is so sharp, that double-edged razor is so sharp, you're gonna end up popping the balloon if you put it this way. So you wanna practice stretching the skin, and we wanna practice holding that blade at a 90-degree angle and going straight across. So if I pop this balloon right now, I know I did something wrong, okay? And you know you're using it right if it's going smoothly, okay? Same thing over here. Stretch that skin, grab the skin, go lower, grab the skin, press down on that skin, and go lower with the blade, okay? Now if I do it wrong, it's gonna pop. That's the awesome part. Okay, same thing, push down. Now let's just imagine this was our cheek, guys, and we're using a straight razor. You wanna make sure you pull that skin, pull it up, and use that straight razor. As you can see, it doesn't pop. So this would be a great practice for you, a lot of you guys that want to start using a traditional straight razor, but don't know how. Now, if I hold the blade this way, we're going to be in trouble, okay? You want to make sure you angle it at a 90 and go straight down, you see? And follow the way the balloon is going. Like I said, get used to stretching your skin. Stretch the skin, stretch it. All right, guys? So there you go. Pretty simple practice. Go out to your nearest store, go buy some balloons, get a straight razor, get some double-edged blades, and it's pretty easy. And you guys will start to get it. Always at a 90, guys. And that's about it. And there you have it, guys. Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com. I hope you guys liked this video a lot. I hope it helped you. If it did, go ahead and like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell us what you thought. Talk to you guys soon. Enjoy.